And welcome back, everyone. We are here in the kitchen with the ladies of Little Miss Flossie, Lisa and Brandy, and today we're making some summer treats that are cherry limeade flavors. These cupcakes look so cute. Let's get started.
Well, thank you for having us back.
Yes.
Our two favorite things are cupcakes and cocktails, so we decided to do a little bit of both today.
Perfect.
So summertime, we got a theme of cherry limeade.
Okay.
And so what's in the cupcake, we'll have it on the website, but it's a lime cupcake. We start with a base of a white cake mix. And
Okay.
I mean, we could be cake doctor at this point because you can do anything with a white cake mix. I mean, we add a little lime jello, a little lime juice, and baked it all up, and we'll have that recipe, like I said.
Yeah, and they turn out green.
Yeah, and they're green.
Yeah.
So for the frosting, it's a basic buttercream. I'm going to turn this on for just a second. Open it. Okay. And then basic buttercream, and then we add grenadine for the cherry limeade.
Or you can add real cherry juice.
So I'll mix that up here for a second. All right.
And can people do this with a hand mixer if they don't have a stand mixer?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Perfect.
So the KitchenAid is like our best friend now, so once you go KitchenAid, you don't go back.
Yeah, and so then from there it's
From
so you've
there,
got the
now
lime
it's
cupcake
pink. Uh-huh.
and the cherry frosting. Perfect.
So what we'll do now, after we have the lime cupcake, I decided to start exercising. The cupcake diet really wasn't working for me, so I don't know. Sorry. Comment
All right,
relief.
now we're
So now
frosting.
here we go.
Okay.
There's a lime cupcake, and then, then we just pipe our cherry frosting. And
I'm
I
a
know
big
you
cupcake
all are
fan.
probably so sick of this. You want to try?
You know what? I will give it my best shot. I'm not.
So there's the cherry limeade because it's the
Yeah.
lime cupcake, and then we did a little cherry in the frosting.
That's good.
Flossy.
That's good. It's a little lopsided, but yeah.
And then you would add a cherry and a lime
Yeah, see
just
how we
for
decorated,
and a little
roasted.
straw just for cuteness.
See,
Yeah.
we thought this would be like a good girls' night out,
Yeah,
kind of
this is
summertime theme. So now we're on to Lisa's favorite thing, the martini.
Yes.
So cherries, I love cherries. Svedka cherry vodka. We're gonna do a cherry limeade martini.
Okay.
So Brandy's gonna start mixing us up over here while I tell you.
I'm the bartender.
She is. She loves to bartend parties. But we're going to do 2 ounces of cherry vodka.
Oh, well, I did this. Okay, here's the cherry vodka.
Okay.
And you can use 3 olives. We use Svedka, but, as long as it's cherry flavored. And then 2 ounces of the Sprite 7-Up. If you don't like sweet, you can do club soda. I prefer
perfect.
club soda. And
Or
then,
if you're on dieting,
yeah, or dieting. She's always dieting. Okay, so then that.
cupcake diet.
Then you're going to do a splash of the grenadine, or you can
Perfect.
use real cherry juice, and then a lime.
Yeah.
So let's squeeze that in there.
Okay.
Mix it all up and
Let me shake it like a Polaroid picture. Katie's like, oh my goodness, what have I got myself into?
and then you pour it in the glass, and we've got matching cupcakes and cocktails.
That's right. Exactly right. And then we're going to put a cherry in the bottom. Go floss. Throw a cherry in there, lime on top.
Yeah, so I'm sure you guys have more great ideas like this. If people want to get a hold of you all to find some of those out, how can they do
definitely.
that?
Yes.
So our website, littlemissflossie.com, Facebook,
We're everywhere.
we try to be everywhere anyways.
Well, perfect. We've got a great little dessert and cocktail combo here. Like you said, great for a girls' night or something. I don't know. Husbands might enjoy it too.
Yeah, hey,
It's a
husbands,
cupcake.
do this for your wives. They will love this.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for coming on.
Good for having us back.
Well, when we come back, it is time for the Buzz